Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl is on it. So today guys, we officially have our first issue, which is, let me show you. The fuel cap no longer working. Well, not really the fuel cap, but the buffer to actually close the fuel tab. So if I show you now, just get my keys out. Let me unlock the car. You can lock it as well. And obviously, anyone can pretty much siphon your gas from here. Or should I say fuel in the UK. So if you have this issue, pretty much what the issue is actually this thing here. Now this is actually, like, you can virtually count how long this will take to pretty much fix this. It takes about 10 seconds. All you need to do is do this. Get out, don't need that crap anymore. And you have the replacement in here. Pretty much do that. Or if you don't have that for the time being, and this sort of happens, take the thing out and you can pretty much still close it, but then the issue is trying to get it open again. So if you don't have nails, you're screwed. Yeah, let's pick this up so let's not litter. Anyway, if you take that out for the time being and you lock the car, it does that, it makes that clunky noise because obviously there's no buffer to stop it. But for the time being, do it like that, and then order this part here. The link will be in the description. And all you need to do is, so that's the way to sort of open it if you want to open it. So you basically lock it first, you lock it, then it comes out of it, put your fingernail there, press unlock, try and do this with 3 fingers, and then you can pretty much pull it out like that. And then what you need to do is pretty much get this is a new part here, I'm littering today, and pop it straight into there. There we go. And then this is what will happen. Job done. So this is pretty much paper you get with it. So it's basically called a BMW fuel filler door stop buffer ejector. Ejector Cito, cut! The link will basically be in the description. So if you need that, get down below. We have now reached the end of the video now. So guys, hit that like button if you haven't already. Also, big mention, we actually almost reached 800 subscribers. As soon as I hit 800 subscribers, I'll be giving out £20 to somebody, or maybe I give £10 to 2 people. So let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, the reason I want to give money away is because some people, they don't have a car, and if I was to say, for instance, if I was to give away like stickers or car parts, people might not really like that. So at least give something that someone would like, which cash, obviously you can do what you want with it. But anyway, let me know in the comments what I should do in terms of if I split it in 2 or give it to 1 person. So yeah, so that's gonna be 1,800, 1,000. I'll be giving away a bit more. So yeah, just to basically just say thank you to everyone really who's spent the time watching my videos. Guys, I'm so grateful. You don't understand. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some more mods soon. Anyway guys, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.